The power is gone. The heat is gone. You can see your breath in your own home. This isn't waited out and hope for the best. This is the cold trying to take you apart piece by piece. And if you treat it like an inconvenience, you won't make it to morning. First rule, you cannot heat your whole house. So don't. Shrink your world. Pick the smallest room you have and turn it into your lifeboat. Shut the doors, block the gaps, hang blankets over anything that leaks air. Towels, clothes, cardboard, anything that stops air from moving buys you time. Windows are giant heat leaks dressed as glass. Cover them with bin bags, blankets, bubble wrap, whatever you can. You're sealing a sinking ship, not redecorating. Now your body becomes the heater.
You're already making heat, but the cold steals it fast. Get off the floor. The floor drains heat like a sponge. Stack rugs, blankets, or cardboard under you. Then layer your clothes. Not one big coat, several thin layers that trap warm air. Stuff extra insulation, newspaper, packaging foam, leaves between layers. It looks ridiculous. It works. Cover your head, neck, hands, and feet. These are the first places the cold attacks. 2 pairs of socks with plastic bags over them if you have to. Wrap your head with anything warm, so your brain doesn't start making stupid decisions when it gets cold. If you can safely heat water, fill a bottle and wrap it in fabric. Hold it against your chest, then your feet.
No heat source? Use your body. Fill a bottle with room temperature water and press it against your stomach until it warms. Move it to your extremities to keep circulation alive. If you're not alone, share heat. 2 people under 1 blanket are warmer than 2 people alone. If you're by yourself, curl tightly to reduce exposed surface area. Eat high-fat, high-carb foods to fuel your internal furnace. Drink water even if you're not thirsty. Dehydration makes you colder and slower. Keep lights dim. Don't advertise warmth or activity. Sound travels farther in a blackout, so keep noise low. This is how you survive a freezing grid collapse. Shrink your space, seal the leaks, layer up, stay off the floor, use your body like the furnace it already is. If you make it through the night, it won't be luck. It will be because you refuse to give the cold a single easy mistake.